everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are leaving on our holiday in less than a week, and this is how our house looks like. It's definitely been one of these periods where we were both super busy and the house sort of took a hit because of that. Usually when we're both that busy, the house is the one that gets left out as a priority, and this is where we are now. Not proud of it, but definitely looks like this a lot more often than I'd like to admit, which is fine. Life happens and a bit of a deep clean will sort it out straight away. I like to come back from holiday to a clean, nice, fresh house, so I don't have to jump straight back to cleaning straight away. So that just helps me mentally when I come back from a trip and I have to adjust to life as usual, normal life. I like to usually start cleaning upstairs. It just sounds logical to me for some reason. I started by putting back the laundry that was sitting there for a few days, that was freshly washed. I mean, not fresh anymore, but freshly washed at the time when I placed it there. And then I moved on to the clothes that were left on the side, ready to be packed for our holiday. I haven't packed properly here, just sort of thrown everything in a backpack so it's not everywhere in the room. I do have a video about what I've packed for 2 weeks in Thailand in a backpack only, and I'll leave that at the top if you want to see it. I then put on another load of laundry and go back upstairs to get some more cleaning done. Dusting, hoovering, moving out the clothes rack so I have some space to deep clean around that area, and just tidying the bedroom. I do like to have something in the background as well, so this time I was watching one of the most recent vlogs from Zoe Sugg, but I always have to watch something to feel like it's not just a chore. I don't use my desk every day at work. I usually work at the dining table, and so this becomes our dumping ground as it's right at the end of the stairs. Everything that needs to go downstairs ends up here, same with everything that we've brought from downstairs up. I don't want to start working at my desk more in the future to have more of a separation between work and life outside of work, but for now I'm just gonna give it a nice quick clean. This is a 2-day job, so this is me the following day, a much more beautiful and very sunny day. There's not that much to do downstairs, luckily for me, just hoovering, dusting and tidying overall. We've also had this car seat for a while since our friends came visited a month ago and they had a baby, and I've been meaning to sell it on Facebook Marketplace ever since. But that's another outstanding task on my to-do list that will probably happen after we come back from our holiday. I clean around the windows, admiring the view and looking at Simba that has been allowed outside and is enjoying the lovely weather. As much as I'd like to join him, I go back in the kitchen to finish what I started. I do a quick clean of the countertops, fit my sourdough starter that will hopefully survive for 2 weeks, and unpack our HelloFresh. I like ordering HelloFresh or any other delivery service before we go on a trip because I don't have to worry about groceries, and it also leaves the fridge empty before we leave. I don't want to come back home to moldy products in the fridge, and also I don't want to have to throw away stuff, so it works out. I do the last bit of dirty dishes and hoover downstairs in the living room. And that's it. I can now enjoy this beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time with the last vlog before the holiday vlogs arrive. Take care!